time it is. We got us a nice little cruise. I'm doing this like my shit fast or something. Knowing damn well my shit. So I got my boy Trill behind me. I can't do too much because the police right here. He got his new exhaust today, so I know he about to show up. He got some chrome tips. Them bitches hard. I was just telling him, like, damn, I regret. I mean, I ain't gonna say I regret because it matched the car, but I should have got chrome tips. I like chrome tips better. They look more aggressive. Let me see if he one of the nigga gonna follow me or he gonna go around. Hold up. Alright, let me chill, cause I got a CDL. I can't be out here racing this shit. This nigga tripping. Let me get out this person's way. Oh, he got a 5.7, I think. I seen how loud this nigga car was. You know how loud your car is? Bro, in that tunnel, I was like, dog, what the fuck? That shit literally hurt my ears, I ain't gonna lie. I said, damn. Only one of my lights working, what the hell? Damn, my shit look hard. Probably ought to wait till this nigga come up, son. He probably can't see shit, bro. I know this nigga can't see shit in that bitch. I know this nigga probably can't see it, but damn, this bitch look hard. You wanna cut the lights on so you can see?
Oh shit.
To help a little more, yeah, the fog light.
Damn, they can't see shit.
You see what I was saying? That's what I just said. I said, I know this nigga can't see shit in here. All right. I was about to say. Boy, for a V6, my shit is clean. Damn, I got that one bright ass fog light. comfy, huh?
Comfy, ride nice and smooth. Man, looking over that hood look good too, I ain't gonna lie.
What, this hood scoop?
Yeah, that scoop look good. Nice. Got a little pull to it.
A little bit.
Little bit. Nice though.
Appreciate it.
I have to get used to this though.
How was the brakes? How was the brakes?
Brakes was great.
They
I ain't
was
gonna lie, that was good. I hit them bitches and slowed
Stop,
down.
right.
Yeah. You got Brembos?
Yeah, I painted over it. This the only, if you come over here, you can see it. This the only one I ain't get the paint yet. I should have been did it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's honestly it. Brembos on there. You ready to hear yours?
Yeah, let me hear it, boy.
I got you. Gotcha. Bro, who do V6 to be so fucking loud? What the fuck? I don't know if my car sounds like that. I'm assuming it due to the fact. I hope he don't start right now. Nigga, wait! He really Why ain't you wait on me? Where? This way? Oh, okay. This nigga really spun that bitch. Don't start. Hell yeah, I feel you. Damn, you really was.
I just got there not too long ago, so.
Hold on, let this car pass. Damn, that's another car turning. Hold on, let these cars turn and do their thing. Damn, yeah, it shit loud as fuck in this tunnel. Alright, you got the floor. Where you want me to be? Over here? Alright. I gotta lash my little tires. I got my little thread. I probably wouldn't still did it while I talking. Damn, he did. I give him this props. That nigga did do that bitch. Oh, here you go again. Following you.
Yeah, get in.
I got you.
When I turned, like he turned to here, and he was right there, and he was waiting.
Damn.
Yeah, when I did what I did.
Yeah, that shit clean as fuck.
I didn't know you were recording this one.
You good? You good? Tips and all.
Doing videos like that, you put
Landscape.
the black thing
Oh.
over the license plate.
What you talking about?
Like block out the license plate.
In the front?
In the front, back. That way
Oh, you
don't
talking
see
about that tent
Yeah.
for the you was about to buy one?
No, I'm saying like when you record it and then you post it, do you like edit it to where you block out?
Oh yeah, I block it out, but I don't be doing
I like how
shit.
it say SRT.
Yeah, got the engine swap Nissan. It's an engine swap Nissan. It got a HELLCAT motor.
Are you dead ass?
Yeah.
What? Nah, you lying.
She said it was.
I need to see it.
He want to see your HELLCAT engine.
Oh, why you playing?
It say SRT.
Say SRT on there. Hey. I bet that motherfucker be
Yeah, it
fuck
was
if
it then.
was swap.
I know, right?
Do it. Look, you get a HELLCAT engine, put it in a Nissan, it's lighter than a HELLCAT. You're gonna be beating HELLCATs all day.
Yeah, got the weight.
It's called the HELLCAT killer.
The Hiltima.
Cat killer.
Huh? Yeah. You good? We waiting on you.
Hey, that's a crowd, let it for real. You know what I'm saying?
You stupid.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?